This next contest presented to you by Ground and Pound and Major is sponsored by Ray Glasgow and Burn Productions. This will be the welterweight division, presenting the blue corner at 65 kilograms from Team Limpahan, Dane Mackenzie Limpahan. His opponent in the red corner, wearing all black, at 70 kilograms from CrossFit Boxing Gym of Cainta Rizal, Jose Ordonez. Yes. Round one.
Relax lang natin.
Nice one. Nice one.
Nice one. 1-2 din. 1-2. Bumigay, shoulder.
Patas, patas.
Hindi, sino marunong? Sino marunong? Trainer.
Hindi, pag suntok ko hindi tumama.
Ilan?
Abo.
Sino marunong dyan?
Tinamaan mo ba, Dane?
Oh, hindi, pag-wig.
Hinihila. Kung may marunong ba na trainer dyan? Ano yan? Okay. Let's go. Isang na hinihila. Alright, papa natin. Ang ating Sarwa Committee. I told you, easy. Sa amin pong experience, mga ganyan pong injury, pag bumalik siya sa ring, babalik po ulit yung kanyang injury. So, huwag na natin palatingin sa worst. Okay. Marami pang event. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm able to continue the fight due to an injury. Winner by referee stops the contest in the blue corner, Dane Mackenzie Limpahan.